Expect the best at family-owned Jim Ellis Automotive Dealerships. Expect a gentle, low-stress buying experience. Expect friendly, knowledgeable service. Expect to be satisfied. At Jim Ellis, things are different. Here's the vehicle for you.
The 2013 Audi A4. Every A4 features a 2-liter TFSI engine that combines direct fuel injection, intercooled turbocharging, and variable valve timing and valve lift to perform stronger than its actual size. This helps provide more power without sacrificing efficiency. The A4 also offers no less than 3 different transmissions, a 6-speed manual, an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic, and a Multitronic continuously variable automatic.
At Jim Ellis Audi of Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be a pleasant, even fun experience. We're here to help you buy a car instead of just trying to sell you one. With financing options for good credit and less than perfect credit, a large selection of new and pre-owned, and a relaxed, low-key approach, why shop anywhere else? Contact Jim Ellis Audi of Marietta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located near Dobbins Air Force on Cobb Parkway.